Setting up Edge AI devices, a step-by-step guide. In this video, we will learn how to properly configure and initialize Edge AI hardware, ensuring optimal performance and reliability in AI solutions.
Did you know that Edge AI devices are revolutionizing the way data is processed in real time? They bring computing power closer to the data source, allowing for faster decision-making and reduced latency. However, without a proper setup, these powerful tools can underperform or even fail. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to configure and initialize your Edge AI hardware. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these insights will ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in.
Let's start with unboxing your Edge AI device. Begin by inspecting the packaging for any signs of damage. This may seem trivial, but it's crucial for warranty claims if needed. Next, ensure that all components listed in the manual are present. Missing parts can halt your setup process, so it's important to verify everything right from the start. Examine the device itself for any physical damage, such as cracks or loose parts, which could impact performance. Take a moment to skim through the included manuals. They often contain specific installation instructions and safety information. If you encounter any issues, document them immediately and contact the supplier or manufacturer for assistance.
Once the unboxing is complete, the next step is connecting the necessary peripherals. Peripherals can include monitors, keyboards, mice, or sensors, depending on your device's purpose. Always use high-quality cables to ensure stable connections. Compatibility is key, so verify that your peripherals are supported by the Edge AI device you're setting up. Begin by connecting the power source first. This practice helps avoid accidental damage from electrostatic discharge or short circuits. After connecting all peripherals, double-check each connection to make sure everything is secure. This step is vital for avoiding intermittent issues that can be tricky to diagnose later.
With your peripherals connected, it's time to install the necessary software. Start by checking for any firmware updates for your device and install them. Keeping your firmware up to date is crucial for security and performance. Next, choose the appropriate operating system for your device. Many Edge AI devices support Linux due to its robustness and flexibility. Install the required drivers for your peripherals and hardware components. If your device comes with pre-installed AI frameworks, verify that they are up to date. Once everything is installed, test the software to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This step will help identify any compatibility issues early in the process. Configuring your network is a critical step in setting up your Edge AI device. Begin by securing your network connection to prevent unauthorized access. Assigning a static IP address to your device can provide added stability, ensuring it remains accessible on your network. Adjust firewall settings to allow necessary traffic while blocking potential threats. Implement encryption methods to protect sensitive data transmitted over the network. Before moving on, test your connection to confirm that your device can communicate with other network resources as intended. Proper network configuration can significantly enhance the reliability and security of your Edge AI setup.
After setting up your network, it's time to test your initial setup to ensure everything functions correctly. Begin by verifying that all hardware components are detected by the system. Use diagnostic tools to check the health and performance of each component. Ensure that the installed software integrates seamlessly with the hardware. To test functionality, perform a simple AI task, such as image recognition or data processing, to ensure your device is operating as expected. If you encounter any issues, document them thoroughly. This documentation will be invaluable if you need to troubleshoot or seek support later on.
Despite best efforts, issues may arise during setup. Common problems include connectivity issues, software crashes, or hardware malfunctions. Start by identifying the symptoms of the problem. Use a systematic approach to diagnose the source, such as eliminating potential causes one at a time. Manufacturer resources, like manuals or support forums, can provide targeted guidance. Keep a detailed log of all troubleshooting steps taken. This log can help you track patterns or identify persistent issues. If problems persist beyond your troubleshooting capabilities, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to avoid exacerbating the issue. Security is paramount when setting up Edge AI devices. Implement strong authentication methods, such as two-factor authentication, to protect against unauthorized access. Keep both software and firmware up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Regularly monitor device logs for any unusual activity that might indicate a security threat. Utilize encryption to safeguard sensitive data, both in transit and at rest. Educate all users on security best practices, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a secure environment. By prioritizing security from the outset, you can prevent many common threats and ensure the longevity of your AI setup. Maintaining your edge AI devices is essential for sustained performance. Schedule regular maintenance checks to ensure all components are functioning optimally. Keep the hardware clean and dust-free to prevent overheating and physical damage. Regularly update software and drivers to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Implement a data backup strategy to prevent data loss in case of hardware failure. Document all maintenance activities to track the device's health over time and identify recurring issues. Following these best practices will help extend the lifespan of your edge AI devices and ensure they continue to operate efficiently.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through setting up edge AI devices. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to get started confidently. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear about your own setup experiences and any challenges you've overcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on AI technology. Your feedback is invaluable, so please vote on what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, happy AI building.